So the thickness is 3 mm now. I will give it a height of around 200 mm. Make them equal, and this will be 170 mm. I'll try assembling this part also. Middle part. This actually looked good, right? Now I'll make a flower pot. I'll make a flower pot of of 6 inches. 6 inches, that is 6 inches, that is 6 inch. That will be 152.4 mm, right? That is actually a small flower pot. I don't want to give so much load on the top of the air purifier because we are making it in the plastic, right? So this is the internal die of the flower pot. I'll give some tolerance for the flower pot. I'll give a tolerance of 10 mm. So I'll add 10 mm in this. So now this is the internal dia. Now this is the internal dia, right? I wanna add 10 mm more for the outer body. So now we are done with the what happened with this. So now we are done making the outer body dimension. We'll extrude it. Extrude of 150 mm for the flower pot height. Alright. Make a chamfer here as a flower pot looks like 120 mm with 60 degree. Now 10 degree. Make it more like 15 degree. I guess this is too much. We'll reduce this. 10 degree was good, and 140 for this. Make a fillet of 10 mm. I think I need to increase this. We can make it more. Let's make it 90. That's good. Yeah, this looks good now. One more fillet in the bottom. This will not be of 90. This will be 30. This is too much. We'll make it 10 mm. Yeah. So now this looks good. Now the outer face. We had it 250 mm. 250 for the outer body, right? Extrude 5 mm. Make a fillet here. Not happening. So I'll delete this fillet. Make both these circles equal. Make it 250 minus 10, the thickness of the outer body. Now I'll do it the height of the outer body on which I want the mesh again will be around 50 mm. Yeah. So I'll give a shell here. Okay. Okay. So I'll have to give the shell till here only. Let's make it 5 mm. Right. Yeah, so the outer body or top part you can say is done almost. I'll save this part as well with the top and assemble it. I'm assembling it actually the way so that I can get the image of the product I'm making. I'll make so many locking type in this plastic. Once the overall design is done, so you see, this is like the overall design of the air purifier I'm making. There will be branding and all on this part or something I want or anything like I want. I'll make a mesh here as well. So for making mesh, I'll have to make a plane. This time I want some different kind of mesh. I guess this will look good. A simple rectangle of like 3 mm by 30 mm, that is good. Or we can also make it 40. 35 is okay. And this will be 7 from the bottom. And this will be from here. I'll make the pattern not in this direction. Let's make it 50. And this center, the gap between them will be 5 mm. Right now the pattern is 50, total of 15 numbers. Again, it's slow because of the graphics in my laptop. I'll exit the plane. Choose the wrap. Select the sketch. Select the face. And cut to 6 mm. I'll have to increase the number of patterns, make it 95. The graphics are slow. 90. I guess 5, 6 more. 96. still remaining. Or we can also calculate this. I guess 3 more. I'll tell you the way of calculating. You just need to check the circumference of the outer diameter or outer body, and then make a line from here to here and just put down the circumference and calculate. See, everything is done. We got the pattern here. All right, so I will now save this and go back to check the assembly. So this is how the final air purifier looks like. Here is the tray to put your 6-inch flower pot, or you can also put the plant, green leaves plant like money plant or something. From here the air will come in. Inside this there will be a fan and the filters inside this, and then the air will blow out from here. So this is the mechanism of the air purifier. I'll have to cover the bottom thing so that the air don't trap inside and come outside from this side. We'll need to make some kind of vents for the air direction. We'll do it in the next video. And now you make a practice of such kind of new product designing. I'll complete this uh, air purifier in the next video, next 1 or 2 video I guess, and after that we will like make the real air purifier with the same design. I'll give it in the production. So once the designing is complete, I'll have to procure the items inside this like fan, filter, switches, everything. And after the assembly, I'll show you how this air purifier looks. Alright, so we'll get in touch in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe for the such contents. Thank you.